What is up, YouTube, man? We headed out to Coronado today. We're meeting up with a local motorcycle rider. He's starting his own little company. It looks like it's getting some traction, but yeah, man, I told him I'll rep his brand, man, and we really out here supporting and whatnot. But yeah, we got the lowrider out today. Got the CB300 and the moped. Nah, I'm kidding. I don't know who that is, but he said nice bag, so be respectful. But let's get to it, man. Wow, look how expensive that was. $12. And that's why I need you guys to subscribe and like. I'm trying to blow this channel up, man. Get this bike built quicker, son. All right, let's go. We should have asked. Trying his little heart out, I'll tell you. 90 and just pinned. It's so funny. We'll do a quick pull here. Yeah, this bike has no problem hitting 100, I'll tell you. Tell me though, man, how do you guys like these new camera settings? The super wide view and the ND filter. I think the videos are coming out looking so much cleaner. But yeah, super stoked to meet up with this guy. I mean, he hit me up on Instagram, said, hey man, love your page. I want you to like help rep the brand, man, give me some exposure, and I would love to do that, dude. Like, I don't expect any kind of payment. I'm still small, but he's like, bro, I got a free shirt or a couple free shirts and a free hat for you, man, if you could just like rep it. And I'm like, bro, yes, you know what I mean? Like, because that's what the motorcycle community is about. And then on top of that, social media, bro, you gotta help each other out, man. So I'm super stoked about that. I think it's pretty cool that I even got the opportunity, but that just shows that my hard work is paying off. People are noticing me, you know what I mean? So I appreciate all the support, guys, whether you follow me on any kind of social media platform, whether you're subscribed to my channel, like my videos. I mean, it all helps. I always forget what the name of his company is right now, but oh yeah, I got my oil kit from AMSOIL. Dude, that's so dope, bro. They send the drain plug O-ring, oil filter, perfect amount of oil. Like, it's dope, man. Super convenient, and like $100. I mean, I don't know, because I've never bought the oil any other way. Last time I had a service, I paid to have it done. But let's see. I see a bike. Oh, I see a bunch of bikes, dude. Where did I pull up to? Damn, and I got the Polaroid. Let's fucking do it, dude. And I'm pretty sure this is him, man. I'm pretty fucking sure this is him. That bike looks clean, son. Yep, there he is right there. Damn, I don't know what we pulled up onto, but we pulled up. What's up, man? Sorry, it's been delayed. You know what I'm saying? How you doing, man? Good, pretty good. I'm gonna get a quick Polaroid for them real quick. Hey, which one of y'all wants a Polaroid? I just do it. I think it's dead. Damn, dude. Yeah, it's blinking. We'll try one more time, but I like the bikes though. Hey, thanks, man. I had a ZX6R. I got stolen though. What a bummer, huh? For sure, yeah.
This is small. It's fucking tiny.
Well, she wears tiny fucking shirts, I'll tell you.
This is your box, right?
Oh, sweet, dude. Dude, let's check this out.
These are perfect because they're not open.
Oh, bro, this is sick.
I'm new with the girls.
Dude, these colors are sick. Oh, hell yeah, dude. All right, guys, man. First stop, just met him. He's super fucking dope. Yeah, man, he's just really out here building a brand. He's super appreciative that we're collabing with him, and you know, with the photography background, I'm definitely hooking him up with some pretty dope shots. Check out Moto on Instagram. if you want to check them out, man. I'll drop a few on the screen right now. But god damn it, dude, that bike sounds so good. Anytime I ride with a Harley that has exhaust, I just hate my life. But yeah, guys, again, you know, he's hooking up with free shirts and hats. They look super sick. Definitely check him out. His website's in the description below. But if you're in the market for maybe a new 1 or 2 riding shirts or just anything in general, definitely check him out before you make your next purchase. You know what I'm saying? He's got a new spot, or he's got another spot for us to shoot some photos. So I'm definitely excited to see where this place is. Hell yeah, dude, this is sick as hell. I need the lowrider here, boy. All right, guys. Yeah, this wall's pretty sick, but let's check it out real quick. Let's see if we're framed up nice. Oh yeah, we are. All right, let's get to it. I gotta change the battery anyway.